My name is Betsy Nelson. I'm 72 years old. I've had arthritis in my right knee. The doctors suggested I have a knee replacement. I met a lady who had had this stem cell done, and she strongly recommended that I come in for a conference. I was impressed with what I was told, so I decided to go ahead with it. That was 5 months ago. I have very little pain now. I'm back to doing my exercising. If I do have any pain, which is rarely, I take an leave for that, maybe once every 2 or 3 weeks if needed. I'm just thrilled with what's happened. It's changed my life and given me hope that I wouldn't have to have surgery down the road.